Is it easy to score CLB 12 in writing in CELPIP 2026? Yes, it is easy. For that, you need to follow some set of rules and proper strategy and tips and techniques for that. Let's talk about what CELPIP examiners expect at CLB 10 to 12. Well, before template, you must understand the scoring lens first, which means at CLB 10 to 12, examiners look for immediate clarity of position, logical progression of ideas, control complexity, which means not wordy, not robotic, natural, confident tone, clear justification with relevant reasoning, and flawless organization for CLB 10 to 12. At the CLB 10 to 12 level, examiners are not asking, is the student trying hard? They are asking, does this sound like a competent professional adult communicating clearly? Now let's talk about formula clarity framework, which means C, context log. That means first two lines decide your scores. CLB 10 to 12 writers log the situation instantly. Yes, I am writing this email to complain about an issue. It's week for 7 and 8 only. Okay. Now let's see for CLB 10 to 12. I am writing to formally report a recurring issue with the cafeteria hygiene that has begun affecting employees' comfort and health. That means if the examiner understands who, why, and impact in your two lines, you are ready in CLB 10 territory. Or I would say you are already in the CLB 10 territory. Now let's talk about logical paragraph engineering, not just paragraphs. Okay, you have to follow for CLB 10 to 12 that hidden structure, which includes point, explain, example, and impact. This is what 90% students miss. Now, what is the impact? Let's take this example carefully. That means idea must have cause, effect pattern, cause and effect pattern. For example, one major concern is unpleasant odor caused by unclean tables. For instance, during peak lunch hours, food residue is often left unattended for long periods. Okay, first one is your point, second one is your example, and that is the impact. This discourages employees from using the facility and reflects poorly on companies' workplace standards. So that is a cause and effect pattern. Okay, that is for logical paragraph engineering. Now let's talk about audience awareness, which means tone is equal to marks. Examiner penalize tone mistakes. Yes, emotion overload, casual language, and over politeness. So for CLB 10 to 12 tone, professional plus calm plus purposeful tone is mandatory. I am extremely disappointed and angry. So this is not the correct way. Okay. So I am concerned that the current situation may negatively affect the employee well-being. That is the way to write for CLB 10 to 12. This sounds more mature, objective, and more professional. Let's talk about range with control, not fancy vocabulary. That means you have to use control variety of words. One complex sentence per paragraph is more than sufficient. Natural connectors, not forced. Now let's take examples of some natural connectors like as a result. This has led to, from a long term perspective, it would be reasonable to expect. But avoid to overuse moreover, furthermore, because this is comes under CLB 8 ceiling. Now let's talk about intent completion, that is answer every bullet clearly. CLB 10 to 12 response, don't mention the bullet, they fulfill it. Examiner's checklist, issue explain, okay. Example given, perfect, clear request, opinion, Logical closing. Here, missing even one equal to drop CLB scores. Now let's talk about the tight conclusion. So here, no new ideas. CLB 10 to 12 conclusions do only one thing: reinforce intent and suggest next step. For example, I would appreciate it if this matter could be addressed promptly to ensure a hygienic and comfortable environment for all employees. It means no summary, no emotional appeal, and no new issue. Now, let's talk about important bonus tip. Read your answers like an examiner. After writing, ask yourself, does this sound like a professional email written by a working adult? Or CLB 12 is about maturity, not intelligence. That's the reason. Write every day, work on different parts of writing. I hope this video is helpful for you.